assembly of Tesla Model 3 Sunshade. Let's go ahead and take it out and see what we have. Here are the sunshades. Here are the clips. Let's open it and see what we have. These are the clips. We can open it like this smoothly. This is for Model 3 Highland front. Let's open this also. And this is for Model 3 Highland rear. It's supposed to be up and this is supposed to be inside the car because this side is reflecting the sun rays. Let's go ahead and put it on the car and see. You're gonna need some clips right here. You can put it like this. See, let me show you one more time. You're just gonna put it like that. It is perfectly fitting and it is not giving you a hard time to do it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put one here. Let's go ahead and put the rear one. Make sure the text right there, rear one, is gonna be right here in the front. Let's put one clip right here. That's easy. And one right here. I'm gonna put one more right here. And here is the last one. Let's go ahead and look at it closely. Here is the front one. And here is the back one. It fits well and very stylish. There's the sun. As you see, no sun can come inside. And it is very cool inside also. Now 100% sun right now. Let's go ahead and check it out. 0 sun rays coming inside. And the car is cooler than before. When you look at this area, it is covering almost 100%. Other sunshades are closing till this area, but this one is right over there. That's also good. I don't like too big and too wide. Here is the front. Yeah, I can definitely suggest this product. And also very stylish. I like the black color.